Hi guys, this is Muskan and welcome to Glam Shades, the show where I review products so you don't have to. If you watch my previous videos, you know that I absolutely love lipsticks. I love layering them, creating new looks with them, and the one I'm going to review for you today is by Sugar Cosmetics. It's called Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick. When it comes to choosing a lipstick that can last me all day and gives a really good color payoff, a matte liquid lipstick is my go-to. And this range from Sugar Cosmetics delivers exactly that. It's enriched with vitamin E, तो ये आपके lips को nourished भी रखेगा. Sugar Cosmetics is a young Mumbai-based brand. They create a wide variety of products like foundations, liquid lipsticks, eyeliners, and face powders. Ever since I got introduced to this brand, there was no looking back. Another thing that I really like about this brand is the trendy on-point packaging. You can see they have mosaic designs on their packaging. Now, as soon as you open this box, you'll be able to see the liquid lipstick. It actually comes in a rectangular form. The container is transparent with a black lid on top. जैसे आप इसे खोलेंगे, you'll be able to see the doe foot applicator. अब ये applicator काफी precise है. I actually did not even need a lip liner before applying this lipstick. The shade I have with me here, it's called 17 Fiery Berry. ये बहुत deep marsala shade है. But if you don't like this shade, they have other 40 shades you can choose from. This formula is meant to give you all the coverage in just one swipe. ये quick drying formula है, तो ये काफी जल्दी dry हो जाएगा and it will not transfer on anything. तो अगर दिन में आप कुछ खाएंगे या पिएंगे ये उसके ऊपर नहीं लगेगा. आइए देखते हैं इस लिपस्टिक को अप्लाई कैसे किया जाता है. Well, you can apply directly onto your lips, but I always recommend prepping your lips beforehand. I start off using an exfoliator. Gently massage it onto your lips in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes and you're good to go. Now that your lips are nice and exfoliated, you need to apply a nice hydrating lip balm. उसके बाद, right before applying the lipstick, I use a lip primer. This acts like foundation for your lips. Take some lipstick on the applicator and start off with your cupid's bow. Then move outwards. Next, cover the entire bottom lip. You may have noticed that it comes with a sponge applicator. इसीलिए इसे apply करना काफी easy हो जाता है. It's a lightweight consistency. It goes on your lips very smoothly and dries down into a matte finish. The shade I'm wearing, Fiery Berry, is very good for evenings and outings. But if you want a lighter shade for during the day, there are plenty other shades that you can choose from. When you want to remove this lipstick, simply use a remover that's specifically designed for eyes and lips. I recommend using an oil-based remover क्योंकि इससे matte lipsticks काफी जल्दी निकल जाती हैं. Just take some on a cotton pad and place it on your lips for 10 to 15 seconds, then swipe it off. So, if you're looking for a liquid lipstick that stays all day and gives you a really high color payoff, I highly recommend you get your hands on this one. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for more videos.